Same, man. Play-Doh. There we go.
Here, look, put some in there.
Roll it out.
Like this. Can mommy show you? See? Look. Put it in there. Squeeze it. Can you squeeze it?
Okay, guys, gonna make a bunch of stencils real quick. Woo, man.
Put it on the table.
He's like, nah, that's what I'm doing right here, man. Luke said, don't tell me what you're doing.
Clearly.
Look, here's the top.
Here's a shell.
I don't want to play this.
Excuse me, Boogie.
You good?
Here's a star.
Yeah, like you can do this part like this. You don't have to. Can you stick it in there?
Yeah. That's so
Look, let me show you. You can hold it in your hand. I think that's what you're trying to do with Luke's thing. Since this is already mixed. Look, Mama. Go hold it in your hand like that.
that.
Look, Lyric, here it comes.
You're like colored doofy. It does.
Mama.
What the red shell is a fish? What is this? What's that?
Look like a fish.
It does not look like a fish.
Or a dinosaur? It's a dinosaur.
Okay, I'm about to say now it does look like a dinosaur. Like, that is not a fish.
No, it's a dinosaur fish.
Is it a dinosaur fish?
Yes.
Did you say triceratops?
Dinosaur.
Ah, boy, back up. Mean great.
Oh,
Daddy.
Daddy.
Yes, baby.
What is
What's that? You want one?
that?
Okay, here, mash it up. Mash it up.
Daddy.
No, you want all of them. Daddy using them right now. Don't be mean.
I'm trying to
Here, you
mix
can
it
take
up.
both of these, okay?
What,
Take
you want this?
that one, or you gonna mix them up? Good man.
Okay. You gotta make it skinny.
I need the elephant. My bad, boo. There we go. Elephant. See, now they peeling. See, once you get to put your pressure, thumb
Oh,
pressure
it
on
feels better.
it. Yeah. See? Pop right off.
Could you hand me that Olaf pillow? Thank you.
There we go. So we got dinosaur for Lyric. Elephant for Lyric.
Luke.
Where you going with that? What I tell you about
Come
trying
here.
to leave with Play-Doh? Not going down, son. Not going down.
Okay, I'll make another cupcake. What happened to the mold?
Cupcake more things from the ground. Yeah, this one.
Nope, right here, Lyric. This
What
one.
song is
Not even 11 yet. Okay, Lyric, here, this. Okay. There you go.
it? Whoa, Lyric. Whoa, 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 whoa. Let Daddy help you. Let Daddy help you.
It's too
Check it
big.
out. Thin it out.
Now we got a crazy color cupcake.
Thin it out.
Oh, you want to do it like that? Sure.
Hold on, boo.
Daddy.
Yes, bro.
Yes.
That one? You like that one?
Okay, where's the little piece?
It's right here.
Daddy.
All right, go ahead.
Daddy.
Go ahead.
Do it, princess. Colored poop.
Ah!
All over the cupcake. That looks very interesting. Luke, what number is it?
Got it. Push it down in there some more.
Luke, number time.
Push it in again.
Lyric. Number time.
Number time.
Yes, number time.
Okay.
I know.
There you go. Good job. Good job.
Hey. Thank you.
Careful.
Not done.
Uh-oh.
Alright.
Not good.
This.
Okay, now put the pieces on it that Daddy made, like your star, your dinosaur.
Derek, what number? No. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Look at it. What is it? It's the number
3,
5.
5.
How old are you today? Say it.
Say it.
One.
No.
No.
How many fingers is that?
Count
One finger, one.
Larry. Stop. Count.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yay!
4.
I'm 4 years old.
4 today, Goofy.
Good.
Goofy butt. I couldn't find a number 4. Where is it?
Some of those pieces is downstairs in the other toys.
Guess. Whoa.
From just on every toy. Yabba dabba da, yabba dabba da.
Dabba dabba dabba.
Oh, you know he sound like Wally Kazam.
Whoa, whoa,
That show on Nick Jr. Wally Kazam, where they do the letters. And it has Bob Goblin, because I swear he says Bob Goblin all the time.
I don't know, baby. I don't know what none of that is. I
Oh.
know all the other cartoons.
Look!
Me and Nick Jr. are not tight.
Look at everyone. Look at everyone. Look at everyone.
Me and
All
Disney Jr. are not
right,
tight.
good
Look,
job.
Daddy.
Awesome, baby.
I made this.
You made a cupcake. Is that lava icing
Yeah.
overflowing on your cupcake?
This is for Rainbow Dash. This is for Rainbow Dash. Mama.
Yeah.
Daddy. Daddy. Daddy.
Yes, babe.
This is for Rainbow Dash.
Here, show mommy. Let me see.
This is for Rainbow Dash.
Good job. Are you having fun on your birthday?
Yes. Whoa.
Whoa.
He going through it too, bro.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Milk. Uh-oh.
Luke, say Play-Doh.
Play-Doh.
Say cheese. Look.
Cheese. Cheese. We play Play-Doh.
Yeah.
Bob! Bertie was playing, laughing.
Luke, put it on the table.
Wobbies.
Yeah, boo.
Put it on the table. Don't eat it.
No.
He was so close.
I bet he was.
Hey, ice cream. Bob!
It's okay, baby.
Bob.
That is no bounce. Are you bouncing?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bye.
Your daddy? Your daddy? Thank you so much for your cooperation. I appreciate you. You better not eat it. You better not. No. You trying to keep little bitsy pieces to feed yourself. You just ate, man. Get out of here.
Bob,
Come
not
here.
mine.
Daddy, show you something. Come here.
No, mine.
Yeah.
Here. You gonna put more hair in? You gotta take this one out first.
Look here.
Okay. Then you push it down.
Come here.
Like this.
Get out.
Like this. Push it
Look,
down.
look at daddy. Look at daddy. Look at
Look,
daddy.
you gotta push it down in there. Look.
Worm.
Clear. Push it down.
Worm.
To get it out. Push.
Worm.
Is it coming out?
Worm.
Yeah, it's good.
Ooh, you did it. Put some more in there.
You gonna do it?
That.
You roll it out? Make a snake?
That. It's my phone.
Push it in. Push. Push it in.
It's too big. Get it out.
Calm down, mama.
Look.
Big.
Okay.
No whining, birthday girl. Okay?
Okay, now press it down. Make it come out.
Like daddy showed you. Come on. Good job.
Okay. Now push it.
Push, 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 push.
Push it down. Is it coming out?
Yay!
Hey! You made Rainbow Dash hair.
Yeah, it's my pony.
Yeah.
It's my pony here, right?
You braiding?
Side.
Like Fluttershy?
Yeah.
Good job.
Say bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Say bye-bye, Mimi.
Say bye-bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Yay!